In the shadows of the digital age, content creators rise to fame with every click and share. But behind the screen, a darker tale unfolds. Beneath the curated perfection lies a relentless pursuit of validation, an unending cycle of trends and algorithms that dictate their worth. Many become prisoners of the platform, sacrificing authenticity for engagement, trading real connections for virtual applause. The pressure to remain relevant consumes their every thought as the line between their true self and their online persona blurs. For me, it's different. I remind myself that it's not about the followers or likes, but about humility and gratitude. It's about being true to who I am. Nurturing real relationships and embracing my authentic self hold far more importance. In a world driven by visibility, I find peace in staying grounded and genuine.
Can't say Sprite with the high tech. That shit too good to digest. Must be an X on my chest. This pure X with my chest. I should've died, but not yet. Ain't even finished my project. Shows her to cry, I'm not it. I don't even think I'm high yet. Ooh. Must be an X on my chest. Too much ass like my chest. LA ho, take my breath. Be with her, fake my death. No still, no deal, my motto. No high, no drill, it's all gone. Stand fight, don't switch and turn on. Two girls don't know what I know. Must be an X on my chest. Don't even agree, no dumb bitch. Look easy to me, too far, bitch. That's easy to me, I done this. Take lead and cream, no sun kiss. Must be an X on my chest. Must be an X on my chest. Must be an X on my chest. Do you see an S on my chest? Let's die, not fucking sunset. Let's die, not fucking sunset. Ooh. Must be an X on my chest. Do you see an S on my chest? Let's die, not fucking sunset. Why you sound like that? And how the fuck you blow it by the pound like that? How you young but still run your town like that? If they talk shit, believe it's going down like that. Why you keep them G's around like that? And why you treat them niggas like some clowns like that? He ain't do it, he got found like that. Fuck around and catch 100 rounds like that. I'ma drive my Porsche today, nigga, just because. I go out and get this paper, nigga, just because. Stay away from you fuck niggas, ain't no love. Get your money, what you waiting for? I'ma give it to you how you want it.